Nick engages with young and old by planning fun and interesting community events. His infectious vision of improving surroundings gives people hope, especially when they are involved in the journey. Nick's nominator said, "I want to recognise Nick's contribution over the last 12 months in a time where people want more but are less willing to give their time to others to do it."
Liz is a master of funding applications and a remarkable networker, so she always puts her hand up for multiple local groups. Liz also helps the community to record and capture the history of the town digitally using both audio and visual. Their nominator said they nominate this individual because Liz has inspired me and the Brecon Story team ever since, with her energy, blue sky thinking, fervent belief in partnership working, and ability to source money for the good of the town in which she lives.
Jackie's motivation to volunteer is about making a difference to people's lives. The value Jackie brings in her dedication to the credit union is not all about the banking side, but it's also about treating people with dignity. Her nominator said, "So much of the success is down to volunteers like Jackie, who tirelessly and selflessly provide support for the service on a weekly basis. To make this nomination is a recognition of our gratitude to all the hard work Jackie puts in."
This group aims to connect the community, create a safer place, protect and enhance nature whilst regenerating local green spaces. The group has worked hard to open up access to a disused public footpath, showing how local people can change the area they live in. The nominator said, "We nominated this group because our community is now a happier place, alive with hope of what the future might hold. Events are organised which have created a sense of community. Local people are spending more time together as a result, which is a fantastic outcome.